In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or remove payout account on Facebook page. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook or launch the Facebook app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign in to the Facebook account that manages the page. If your account manages more than one page, make sure you switch to the specific Facebook page you want to work on before making any payout changes. Next, open the Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using desktop or mobile, and Facebook may update the interface from time to time, but the goal is the same. From there, navigate to the monetization section, then look for payouts or payout settings. Once you're in the payouts area, open your current payout account details. Here, you'll be able to review the bank account or payment method that is currently linked to your payouts. This is a good moment to double check that you're looking at the right account before making any edits. If you want to update the payout account, click Edit or Change Payout Method, then enter the details for your new bank account or new payout method. As you do this, carefully verify the account information, especially the account holder name and the banking details. Even a small typo here can delay future payments, so it's worth taking an extra moment to review everything closely. After that, save the new payout information. In some cases, Facebook may ask you to complete an identity check or bank verification step. If that happens, just follow the prompts and finish the verification process before moving on. This helps confirm that the account is valid and ready to receive payments. If your goal is to remove a payout account instead, select the existing payout method first, then click Remove or Delete if that option is available. After that, confirm that you want to remove the payout account. Keep in mind that Facebook may require an active payout method to stay on file. If that applies to your account, you'll need to add a new payout account before you can remove the old one. When you're done, review your payout settings to make sure the correct account is now listed, then wait for Facebook to confirm the change. Before your next payment is sent, it's a smart idea to check the payout settings one more time so you can verify that future payouts will go to the updated account. And that's how to change or remove a payout account on a Facebook page.